Welcome back to the channel, where we bring you the future of luxury vehicles, groundbreaking concepts, and the machines that redefine what it means to travel in style. Today we are diving into something that feels almost unreal, a creation that takes the essence of American luxury and stretches it across an entirely new category. This is the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome, a concept that merges iconic design with the freedom of the open road. If you thought motorhomes were just big boxes on wheels, prepare to have your imagination completely transformed. Cadillac has always represented sophistication, innovation, and a uniquely American sense of luxury. From the legendary tail fins of the 1950s to their cutting-edge electric vehicles of today, Cadillac has consistently pushed boundaries. Now, in 2026, they've decided to do something bold. They're bringing their philosophy of comfort, technology, and elegance into the world of motorhomes. But this isn't just another RV. This is a rolling palace, designed not just for travel but for living with class, wherever the road takes you. Let's start with the exterior because this is where Cadillac makes its first big statement. The motorhome stretches over 40 feet, but instead of the usual bulky, boxy form, it has sculpted lines, aerodynamic shaping, and signature Cadillac styling cues. Imagine the bold grille, seamlessly integrated LED light blades, and a stance that makes it look more like a luxury yacht than a traditional RV. The sharp chrome accents and futuristic trim emphasize motion even while it's standing still. Cadillac wanted this motorhome to turn heads not only at the campsite but on every stretch of highway it glides across. The 2026 Cadillac Motorhome rides on a hybrid electric platform, something you might expect from Cadillac's move toward sustainability. Underneath, a powerful electric drivetrain paired with a range-extending combustion engine ensures smooth, quiet cruising. With this system, owners can enjoy up to 400 miles of range on a single charge, and when plugged into solar-compatible stations, it becomes practically energy independent. It's an RV designed for the eco-conscious traveler who doesn't want to compromise on luxury. Step inside, and this is where the Cadillac DNA truly shines. The cabin greets you with an ambiance that feels like stepping into a five-star hotel suite. Rich leather seating, handcrafted wood finishes, and customizable ambient lighting create a mood that adapts to your lifestyle. Every inch has been designed with intention, from the precision stitching on the upholstery to the panoramic windows that frame the outside world like a moving piece of art. Cadillac calls it a sanctuary on wheels, and it truly lives up to that name. The living area features a modular design, allowing you to configure spaces depending on your needs. Want a spacious lounge for entertaining? The sofas adjust to form a wide-open social zone. Prefer a private space to unwind? Panels and smart glass walls can create cozy, intimate rooms with a touch of a button. Cadillac has also introduced what they call the Smart Horizon system, a technology that syncs lighting, temperature, and sound to match the time of day and your personal preferences. In the morning, gentle lighting and subtle nature sounds ease you awake. At night, dimmed lights and soft music create a perfect environment for rest. Technology is everywhere, but it's hidden in the most seamless way. The entire motorhome is powered by an AI assistant that handles everything from navigation to climate control. Voice commands activate appliances, entertainment systems, and even driving features. The kitchen, for example, features induction cooking surfaces that disappear into the countertop when not in use, and a refrigerator that can recommend meals based on its contents. Cadillac hasn't just thought of luxury, they've thought of convenience, anticipating the future of how we will live and travel. Speaking of travel, the cockpit is a masterpiece. Drivers will find themselves surrounded by a futuristic command center, complete with a curved OLED display that spans the dashboard. Augmented reality navigation projects routes directly onto the windshield, ensuring that drivers never lose focus on the road. Adaptive cruise control, lane assist, and even semi-autonomous driving modes make long journeys more relaxing than ever before. Imagine cruising down the coast while your Cadillac motorhome takes care of the mundane details, leaving you free to soak in the views. But a motorhome is only as good as its amenities, and Cadillac has left nothing out. The bedroom feels like a luxury suite, complete with a king-size memory foam bed, integrated smart screens, and panoramic skylights that allow you to stargaze from under the covers. The bathroom rivals those of boutique hotels, featuring a rainfall shower, marble accents, and water recycling technology that makes it eco-friendly without compromising indulgence. And for those who love entertainment, the motorhome comes with a retractable cinema system, filling the lounge with a massive 8K screen and immersive surround sound. Cadillac even thought about the outdoor lifestyle. The motorhome features extendable side pods that expand the interior space when parked, along with a motorized awning that creates a shaded patio area. Built-in outdoor speakers, a fold-out kitchen station, and even a fire pit option make evenings at the campsite unforgettable. It's not just about traveling from place to place, it's about creating experiences wherever you stop. Now let's talk about price, because luxury like this doesn't come cheap. While Cadillac hasn't officially announced a number, experts predict the starting cost of the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome to be well over $1 million. And with the custom options Cadillac offers, including bespoke interiors, rare materials, and even personalized exterior designs, that price could easily climb much higher. This motorhome is not aimed at the everyday camper. It's aimed at those who want the pinnacle of road travel, a statement of status and comfort that only Cadillac could deliver. But beyond the price, this concept represents something bigger. It shows us a future where travel doesn't mean giving up luxury, where sustainability meets indulgence, and where technology enhances every moment of the journey. The Cadillac Motorhome isn't just a vehicle, it's a glimpse into how we might live on the road in the decades to come. As we wrap up, one thing is clear. Cadillac didn't just build a motorhome, they built a lifestyle, a dream on wheels, and a bold step into uncharted territory. Whether you're a fan of luxury vehicles, futuristic technology, or just the idea of freedom combined with comfort, the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome is something to be admired. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed discovering this incredible creation, don't forget to stay tuned because the world of automotive luxury is only getting more exciting. Until next time, keep dreaming big, traveling further, and enjoying the ride.